Hey, what's going on? Had an appointment today with my chiropractor for a much needed adjustment. I was having some hip issues, lower back issues. My right shoulder was acting up. But anyway, with just today's adjustment alone, man, I feel so much better, man. The hip mobility, all that is back. The mobility in my shoulder, I couldn't move it a certain way because it was feeling weird. And all that went away. I feel great. I'm going to go back for a second session next week. I normally go once a month just to, keep my body in alignment, keep my posture good, and just to stay pain-free. Even though I don't feel any pain, I still go every month. But it's been a couple of months since I last seen them. That's why I had all these other extra issues. But yeah, man, I definitely recommend anyone to go get an adjustment with a chiropractor, whatever chiropractor you want. But anyway, my chiropractor, he's located in Paramus, man. Dr. Lorenzo, I've been going to him for many years now, and he's helped me with other issues that I'll probably make another video to, explaining. Maybe it can help someone out or whatever. But yeah, man, I recorded the session. Check it out. See what you think. All right, peace.
I got it written down like that. Welcome.
Dr. D, what's up,
yeah, man? What's up?
Long time, man. How's everything?
Yeah, go on in. So we got a right shoulder issue.
And hip too.
And a hip.
And then also, man, like I don't, this side of my body doesn't feel as strong as this side, so I'm...
With what?
As far as like when I do push-ups and same thing, if I do like body squats, it feels like this side is getting tired faster than this side. Same thing with push-ups.
You take an iron?
No.
B vitamins?
B vitamins, yeah.
Iron, you definitely need. I mean, we all need iron. Even if your iron markers are normal, then probably just taking it. There's something to be said about giving supplements to a marker that already looks normal. So just because your thyroid looks normal doesn't mean like you can't take a thyroid supplement. You want to talk about symptoms, and you're an athlete, you got all that muscle on you, you're always using iron. Iron's going to carry oxygen to the cell, so every time you're pumping, you're breathing, your cardiovascular endurance increases. That's using iron. And your body might like that 6% boost from 10 milligrams of iron, even though your markers look normal. So, or mechanical could be your atlas, your upper neck, could be a vitamin D thing, blah, 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 blah. But that's basically what you're looking at. You got to look at who you are and what you do.
Cool.
So let's check out your shoulder. Hold here, push up. That was serratus anterior. Push up here. That's fine. You know what? Touch right here. Bring this right here. Push up here. Take that away. Hold here. Push up. Alright, so serratus anterior is off. And when you touch it, it turns it on. Now, touch the back of your neck. Hold here. Push up. Now it's really on. So you got a cervical dorsal fixation. Possibly. Turn your head left. Push up. Turn your head right. Push up. Meow. Alright, well. Touch atlas right here. Push up. That's an atlas. Touch right here, lower neck. Push up. Meow. Alright, let's go face up. So here, serratus anterior does this. That's your push up. If you're doing bicep curls and your serratus anterior is blown out, your shoulder and your scapula and your bicep are unstable. So you're going to have weakness.
Yeah, it's funny that you mentioned that because I was at the gym doing like some preacher curls, and same thing with this. It felt so freaking weak this side.
Yeah, you lost the foundation of the arm. So to where this would be. So now what happens is these muscles take over, and these muscles take over. This is but when you lose the foundation here, they become hypertonic, and that's how you get elbow and wrist injuries. Yeah. So let's go face up. Adjust that atlas. Let's just check a couple more things first. Push up. Psoas off. Push up. Psoas off. Touch your occiput right there. Push up. And that's on. So we have, actually take that away. Turn your head right. Push up. Tilt your head right. So put your right ear to your right shoulder. There you go. Push up. No. Turn your head left. Turn your head left. Yeah. Push up. Got some funny things going on.
Yeah, man.
Let me see both your hands. Hold here. Squeeze together. Okay. Turn your head left. Squeeze together. Turn your head right. Squeeze together. Alright, so we got more things saying left atlas. So basically what's happened is I'm getting mixed signals, but I know enough to understand what's there and what's not. Your brain is not communicating with your body, your joints, and your joints aren't therefore sending messages back. Hence why you feel weak where you do. So let's adjust this. Wow. See these hands. Hold here. Squeeze.
Damn. Freaking huge difference, man. Holy
It's
shit.
on now. Oh, by the way, these are your pecs. And you said push-ups.
Oh, yeah,
so not only
right.
was your chest off, but your serratus anterior was off too. I'm sure there was a lot of other things off, but we just didn't even look at it. Push up. Touch your back. Push up. Let's go face down. So that psoas is some back pain now. So this psoas, a bilateral psoas weakness is usually an occipital fixation. In this instance with you today, it wasn't.
Oh, okay.
Bend here. Push back. Bend here. Push back. Okay. Off, on, touch. Bend. Push. Take that away. So is it the hip? Bend here. Push. It's an SI joint. This side up. Could have been a PI ilium. Could have been an AS. Could have been a sacrum. An base apex. But this is an SI joint. So let's fix it. And that's turning off psoases and hamstrings. Face down. Bend. Push.
Damn. Holy shit.
Let's go a little bit further and just check the other parts of your pelvis. Bend. Push. And that weakened when I pushed on it, so that means it needs to be adjusted in that vector. So give me this side up. I'm hoping I'll get to lunch today. Now we'll go face up. So now your psoases are on, your serratus anterior, your chest. Push out. Glutes off. Turn your head right. Push out. Head normal. Touch right there. Push out. Alright, so now we're going to adjust, what is that, C6, C5? His neck being out of whack is affecting his low back and his hip function. That's what most people don't understand.
Man. Hey.
Push out. Push out here. Meow. Turn your head left. Push out here. Alright, we got one more on the left. So your neck throws out your low back. Mm-hmm. That was one joint. So when you start to feel that kind of stuff, that's your chiropractic alarm going off. Telling you to get your neck adjusted. Elbow. Arms up. Hold. Squeeze.
Dang.
That's good. You don't need that
shit.
adjusted.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you're going to wrap a towel around your head and pull it.
Oh, just neck pull.
You want a neck pull?
If I need one, yeah. Think I need one?
Let's tilt and find out. Squeeze. Wow. Yeah. That's called Y-axis compression. A great way to explain that is that your head's too heavy.
A big head, man.
So pick your head up. Drop your head. It's only 8 pounds. Keep your teeth closed. Don't bite your tongue. Oh, dude.
Damn, I needed that shit. Woo.
So it didn't show up until we laterally flexed your head.
Damn.
I know what that feels like. Hold there. Nothing. Sit up. Swing that. You get good tone though. Whoa.
That's it.
Yeah,
Well done.
let's come back over here and recheck.
Man.
Yeah, dude,
Needed
that
that
thing
shit,
you did
man.
definitely pumped you up, dude. You were always in shape, but did you gain weight?
No, not really. I actually lost weight. You know, I was like, well, you know, I did that 40-day challenge. I started at like 190 almost, and I was like 178 at the end of it. So I lost.
You lost fat and gained muscle.
Yeah, that's what.
So you look better now than you did then. 190. Wow. Hold. Push up.
Damn.
Got your serratus
awesome,
anterior right here. Actually, no. Just rub it down a little bit. Every now and again, treat this like this. Get in here. Rub these guys out. Go buy you time. 30 seconds every 4 days.
Ah, cool.
That's it, bro.
Fuck man, Dr. D.